So we got Whitney here. It's a big lady that's presented with a mass in the back of her head. Seems to be a subcutaneous mass, which we can easily pinch. And we're going to surgically remove it. Hopefully it's not very vascular and it will be easy to get done. All her vitals are normal.
So what we are proposing at Noah's Ark is from time to time, dogs will come in for routine surgeries, investigative surgeries, and while under anesthesia, it would make sense, it would be more prudent that we actually look at some dental care at the same time.
So we have removed the mass. It was a bit vascular, so we're closing the main vessels that were nurturing this mass. And then we're going to be suturing the subcutaneous tissue and the skin in different layers. So for Whitney's, we have removed her lump at the back of the neck, and there is a tiny amount of plug. We're just going to use the same opportunity to perform a dental procedure. During this dental procedure, what we plan to do is to remove this plug.
The importance of oral hygiene for dogs and cats is so important. I'm sure that many of you watching this video, you've had infections in your molars before, you've had to have fillings, you were in pain, but you could communicate it. Imagine a dog that can't communicate it. And what I'm starting to notice, many of you know me as a specialist in canine behavior modification, focusing specifically on these reactivities to humans, to other dogs and to family members, apparently randomly. Could there be a correlation that an animal is suffering with an infection of the gum, infection of the teeth, a chronic ear infection that actually makes that animal more irritable? If we investigate that first, could that give rise to a better outcome?
So we're going to do Whitney's dental. We're taking the opportunity that she's anesthetized for her lump removal. We just remove very little amount of plug that she has in her teeth. She's got great enamel, no signs of chronic gingivitis, no really abnormalities there. We've got the prophylactic measurement of the scale in this plaque.
Bad breath in dogs is a very common thing, like bad breath in humans. And gingivitis, there are so many different aspects of oral health that I think that if investigated, even if you're just doing a yearly health check when you do your booster vaccinations to get the dental done, I think it would be incredibly prudent. And I think that your canine would really appreciate it, especially if there is something more serious to look at.
So we are plucking the ears of Whitney. She's been dealing with chronic head shake, and we are just helping her just recover from these by plucking all this hair out of her ear canals.
Our client is the dog. In my group of businesses, the turnkey solutions that we offer is for my client, the dog. So, ear infections is something that is so rife within dogs, all breeds. And at Noah's Ark, I can promise you, we have a team that is really specializing on finding a lasting resolution to offer incredible relief, to these dogs that are suffering. When you come in, we will look at multiple aspects and support you in one period. Please feel free to call the Noah's Ark team for any type of support that you might need. We have a state-of-the-art facility set in 55 acres. We also have paddocks that clients can use for running their dogs.
And due to our sort of historic ability to handle the more powerful working dogs, we specialize in that aspect.